So we are creating hydrogen, breaking hydrogen from water. We add a catalyst of soda, and then here we have aluminium. The reason we are adding aluminium can react with water to separate hydrogen and react with oxygen within water. So we put another solution of pure water here, and then here this is our vacuum where we're gonna collect the the hydrogen from. Is an exothermic reactions.
So if you touch it, it's warm, it's getting warm.
Yeah, it's getting warm. Yeah, if you touch it, it's getting warm. So the indication that air has been circulating, we need to see bubble. So far, we haven't seen any bubble.
The reason why we are seeing those bubbles is because the hydrogen being performed here is going across and coming into this. So when it comes, like the hydrogen comes through into the water, that's what is making that bubble effect. I think we just need to just to seal it. But if we have like enough, yeah, we have to seal it properly so that it's not escaping. And if there was like we had like enough water, for example, like all the hydrogen will come into here. When it fills up into this tank, it will then fill up into this balloon. So what we should be seeing, like this balloon should, balloon up because it's going to be filled with like the hydrogen. But at the moment, because of the little amount we put, it's not enough yet to push it through. But even if we leave it, let's say after like a few minutes, like 10 minutes, we'll start to see like this bubble, like getting bigger because that's like the whole purpose. But
so hi guys, this is our workshop sessions. Welcome to Cena. So at the moment the guys are building up some hands-on projects. So based on the work instructions and what is on the work instructions, they're looking at building some cranes projects. They've been looking at doing some electrical devices projects, and also we do have some hands-on projects on mechanical devices. So the guys are looking at even the problem-solving tools, the working in the team, communications skills. So it's all those type of skills that you need to be successful in a career in engineering, be it mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, software engineering, or any sort of pathways that they choose they want to grow up and develop. So we had our very first what you call like a car sort of engine powered by electrical batteries. So that was a very first design that was set up by the guys. So they look at the work instructions step by step and being able to build it. And then we've got a little project setting up a little challenge between two teams. So they're trying to setting up a hydraulic sort of pressure cranes. So hopefully that will be also set in place, and the guys will be able to have one all working project. So yeah, this is a whole sort of workshop. So we've got some on the other side. Yeah, the idea is to get the guys working together, improving their communication skills, the engineering skills to sort of inspire them and inspire them to get into engineering. Yeah. Right, so we have an electrical devices that we actually built. So I think if it's not broken, this one should be set in place.
And then we design it. But you cannot be a designer and engineer.
There we go. Yeah, so yeah, that's just one of the projects the guys built. So using very basic circuit building skills to kind of set up an electrical circuit if you want. So that could be powered with even lights on the side. So yeah, just basic connection, even batteries on the side and electrical circuit and building a fan.
So what kind of engineering is this?
So, well, I think the main focus is not in engineering as such. The focus is to get the guys to understand the skills of engineering. So we know sort of trying to pursue them to go into any type of engineering. But you've got electrical, this is mainly electrical engineering, and some of these skills are mechanical engineering, let's say, but the idea is to have them to have the problem solving skills that can enable them to go to any path of engineering they want to go. So it could be mechanical, software engineering, cyber securities, building projects in Python, and great skills that we need in our country.
Can you give one of your children just to demonstrate what they've been doing so far?
Can you talk about the new project that you have in place? What are you doing?
Basically,
You speak a little bit loud, yeah?
we're building what do you call it? It's like a fire truck, and that's what we're building right now.
What's the challenge here?
The challenge is just to create. So basically, competing with them, we're competing with them to win a prize, and it's just basically screwing stuff, working out. If you've done a mistake, you have to pretty much we basically have to start again because we made a mistake, a small mistake. So we have to start again. Every small thing counts.
Okay, that's good. And you want to talk about what you've been doing so far?
Out here making a truck, a fire truck. It's meant to look like this.
What's this?
A fire truck.
Fire truck, okay.
It's in Chinese, obviously we can't understand, so we've got to use our own knowledge as ourselves. So studying to be or trying to be in this workshop engineer. This is what an engineer does, then that's what we're going to do. And so far this is what we made. The base of the engine, the fire truck, got the two wheels in the middle of making it, fire hose, the seats. Yeah.
So it's not complete yet?
One little mistake.
How long is it going to take you to
way from
complete?
doing that. Very long way.
Very long way. How long is it going to be taking? Roughly 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
Or 2 hours? If 2 hours I can wait for you. I want to see fireworks.
Hopefully anyway.
Okay, we'll come back to you later, yeah? Right. Let's move on to the next one. Talk about what you've been doing, please. Let's read a little bit loud.
I built this car so it moves to the fan, powered by the fan, the fan that the engine. Basically.
Can you tell what part went on, how you sort of got to build this?
It's like I use the batteries, the wood, fan as the engine for the.
So in terms of projects, I have applied for graduate scheme, let's say assessment center. You have all these type of activities in place that you've got to go through. So in terms of problem solving skills, you learn through this sort of project. This is what you get. So if you go for a job interview, you usually get a project like this where you've got to build things, get things together. So I mean, this is a one opportunity. 5 or 10 years later, 6 years later, I would say, if I had an opportunity like this, I wouldn't let it go. I would, make the most of it to kind of just get the experience. Once I finished my degree, I remember I went to a job applications. So we had to basically sit on the table, few engineers. So we had a test, and we had to build a bridge project.
There's one thing just want to say to our aunties and our uncle: do not let anything to stop you from doing what you want to do. We see our moms, they're thinking like, I can't go to college, I just want to do this cleaning job. But you can actually do a better job than you cleaning that you're doing. So I want to advise our mom, go get yourself training. It does not have to be an engineer anywhere else. We go to university, we see people coming from China, they can't even speak the language, but they're there. They're doing the masters. But I'm thinking, what about our aunties and our uncles? We can do better. So I want to just advise all our uncle, our aunties, keep going.
Thank you.
Go to college.
Don't be limited.
Get qualification. Even that NVQ level 2, even that NVQ level 3, it can get a better job. You don't have to speak better English. You don't have to. So that's what I just wanted to say to our uncles and our aunties.
I'm Therese, and I am a mother to Joyce, who is 16, and she's just doing her GCSEs. As the only girl in the team today, and I also know that not many ladies are in this field. What is it like to get into it, and how is it like to?
So many people will say that, oh, this is women's job, you can't be doing, but you need to go maybe do health and social or beauty. But for me, I had that passion in me since I was 18 years old. So I decided, when I come to this country, I decided to pursue that career in engineering. Now I'm doing mechanical engineering. But it's never been easy. A lot of my friends will be laughing at me, be like, oh, I think you're lesbian because you're doing mechanical. I'm like, no, it's just the things I like. And my parents encouraged me to do that. My mom encouraged, since I was in Congo, my mom always to encourage me to do anything that I like to do and go for it. And my dad is the same, so why not?